There are three types of sentences in English which are not simple: the compound sentence, the complex sentence, and the compound complex sentence. We distinguish between them according to the types of clauses they contain, whether the clauses are independent or dependent. The compound sentence. Let's define a compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of two or more independent clauses. So it contains only independent clauses. They can be two or more than two. They can be joined with a coordinating conjunction or with a semicolon. We take firstly the case of a coordinating conjunction. So in the first type of a compound sentence, there is the first independent clause plus a comma plus a coordinating conjunction plus another independent clause. We take example 1 to see this in practice. My family goes camping every summer, comma, and we usually have fun. These are two independent clauses joined with comma and. The word and is a coordinating conjunction. Generally, the coordinating conjunctions relate or link equal elements, independent elements. We can add another clause to this sentence, but we have to change the type of coordinating conjunction. We may say, for instance, my family goes camping every summer, comma, and we usually have fun, comma, but we sometimes have problems. This is also a compound sentence because it contains only independent clauses. The coordinating conjunctions, the list of coordinating conjunctions includes the following: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. In order to remember them, look at the first letter of each: F, A, N, B, O, Y, and S. Fun boys. Fun boys. This will help you to remember them. Now let's look at the meanings of the coordinating conjunctions. The meaning of and is addition. But is different. We went camping at Blue Lake, but we had a terrible time. The meaning of but is concession. What is concession? Concession means that something is unexpected in view of what was said before. You say, for example, I took the first bus, but I came late to class. I took the first bus, this is what is said first, but I came late to class. I came late to class is unexpected in relation to what was said before. This meaning is concession. This is the meaning of but. Sometimes but expresses contrast. For instance, when you speak about differences between two people or two things, you say, John is tall, but Bob is short. This is contrast. Now, or, next year we will take a cruise, or we may just stay at home. Or expresses alternatives, the first choice, the second choice. We want to go to Hawaii soon, so we need to save money. The meaning of so is a result. The second clause is the result of the first one. The next one, the days were short, for it was December. Now, the meaning of for as a coordinating conjunction is the cause. It means because. The days were short, for it was December. The meaning of causality. Then, we all worked hard, yet we were not very tired. Yet is similar to but. It expresses concession. Finally, they have never been united, nor have they been brave. Nor expresses addition, but in the negative form. When I say they have never been united, nor have they been brave, I mean they have never been united and they have not been brave. Nor means and not. Notice that after nor we use inversion of the subject and the auxiliary. This is the first type of a compound sentence. It is so simple. There is a remark. When we construct a compound sentence with three clauses and we join them with comma and a coordinating conjunction, we should not repeat the same coordinating conjunction twice when linking more than two clauses. For example, I saw many people and I did not know them and I just went home. This is a sentence which is not a good sentence in English because of the repetition of the same coordinating conjunction. Now you test yourself. This is an exercise. In this exercise, you have the first clause, the comma and the coordinating conjunction, and you should add another independent clause to make a compound sentence. When you vary the coordinating conjunction, the meaning will change and the relationship between the two clauses will change. The meaning of and is different from the meaning of so and also from the meaning of but. So you have to think about the appropriate idea that you will add in each sentence. This is a second exercise. In this exercise, you are asked to write your own compound sentences using coordinating conjunctions. So you write a sentence with and, one with but, or for, yet, and nor. Just you have to pay attention that you should use two independent clauses. You should not use phrases. In the second type of a compound sentence, we always use two independent clauses, but in this time we link them only with a semicolon, without any conjunction. Examples: the bus is crowded, semicolon, I have to stand all the way. This is one sentence, a compound sentence. It starts with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. One sentence. The sky is getting dark. Everyone should go home. One compound sentence, in which the clauses are linked with a semicolon. Peter is unique among his friends. Indeed, he doesn't look English. This is one sentence, a compound sentence. When you link two independent clauses in this way to form a compound sentence, make sure that the length of the two clauses is balanced. You cannot link a very short clause with a very long one. So the clauses should be balanced in length. The third exercise. Form compound sentences from each pair of simple sentences by using a comma and a conjunction or using a semicolon. Here you are given, in each case, two simple sentences, and you are asked to write a compound sentence using these two simple sentences. In the first time, you will write a compound sentence with a conjunction, and in the second case, you will use a semicolon. So you have the first set of simple sentences, the second set of simple sentences, then the third. In the fourth exercise, you will write sentences of your own, compound sentences, which are linked using a semicolon. Remember to use two clauses which are independent and which are somehow balanced in length.